Welcome to this video showing you how to start your SPECIAL.T machine. To enjoy at any time an always perfect tea, we recommend that you follow these few hints on how to use your machine. Let's discover together your SPECIAL.T machine. Remove the machine from its package and connect the electrical power cord under the machine. Then remove the protective plug at the rear of the machine. To prime the machine, remove the water tank from the machine and fill it up to the top with fresh drinking water. Then reinstall the water tank on the machine. To prime your SPECIAL.T machine, do not insert any capsule. You can now connect your machine to the main socket and then press the on/off button. Your SPECIAL.T machine immediately switches on. Install a cup. Press the Tea Master button several times until water flows into the cup. This can take up to 2 minutes. Once the machine is primed, the pump stops. To obtain a perfect tea, cup after cup, SPECIAL.T developed a water filter. Using it will guarantee you an ideal preparation. Remove the filter from its package and insert it in the tank. Fill your water tank half full. Tilt the tank slightly to the left and right to help evacuate the air in the filter. Install a cup. Press the Tea Master button several times until the water flows. This can take 2 minutes. Fill 2 cups and then pour the water out. Small particles may appear. This is completely normal. Your machine is ready. You can now savor one of the many teas of the SPECIAL.T collection. Open the handle, insert a SPECIAL.T capsule in the indicated direction and then close the handle. The Tea Master indicator light goes on because it recognizes the capsule, which allows it to adapt the infusion, temperature and time parameters to each tea. Press the button. The machine prepares a tea according to our Tea Master recommendations. The machine automatically stops. You can now savor your tea. After each usage, you should eject the capsule so that it does not remain in the extraction system. We recommend regularly emptying the capsule container and the drip tray to prevent the water from overflowing. For optimal cleanliness, all these elements can be washed in a dishwasher.